It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here in Yermo, California at Eddie World. Eddie World is a new stop off the 15 freeway on the way from LA to Vegas. And it's a place you can stop to get gas or go to the bathroom or get something to snack on. So let's go inside and see what there is to eat. Right, here we go. It even says there's pizza, poke. I don't know about poke here, but well, there is a lot of candy and stuffed animals and more candy. There's the pizzeria. They've also got nuts, and here's more candy. Oh, there's jerky over there, and there's pizza, and there's a Pete's coffee. You can see past this stuffed lemur. There's a Pete's coffee back there. This is a pretty huge space. And there is a lot of snacks. For example, Sour Patch Peaches. This is a pretty hefty bag for $5. Lemonade Sour Jacks. Sour apples. And everything says Eddie World. Let's go check out the ice cream place back here. There's also a caramel corn emporium. Not as popular here as the ice cream. Probably because it's crafted in small batches and they don't have so much. Well, let's check out the ice cream. Everybody loves ice cream. So what that means is one scoop is $3.49. One scoop is $3.49. They have a vegan non-dairy for $4.49. 2 scoops, $4.79. 3 scoops, $5.99. And they've got vegan non-dairy in all sizes. And the flavors: vanilla coconut, chocolate coconut. If those are the only vegan flavors, I don't want that. But there is plenty more here that I do want. There's even foldable flip-flops on the go. $14.99. All right. All sorts of gummies. I mean, there is pink pig gummies. I've never seen that. Oh, I love these Coca-Cola bottles. Gummies. That's good stuff. And here's a Lakers memorabilia wall. We'll come back to that in a second because I gotta find the bathroom. Here we go. Restrooms. They advertise these as being ultra clean. These do look clean and they look pretty high tech. Should I have touched that? Alright, so those are the bathrooms at Eddie World. Let's see what else they got going on here. There is a wall of Lakers memorabilia. Los Angeles Lakers. Velvet rope. Don't go beyond the rope. Obviously, all the crowds, you got to keep them away from the Lakers wall. Oh, here's the poke place, Mickey's Poke. Our fish is 2 hours fresher than Las Vegas. That's the slogan. And the Calico Pizzeria, custom crafted by you. They look like they even have these wood, well, they're not wood ovens, but they're big pizza ovens, rotating pizza ovens. And that looks like a handcrafted pizza being made right there. You can even get half and half as you desire. And pizzas here are $8.95. And that's the fully loaded signature ones. You can get a cheese pizza for $6.95. One topping $7.95. And here's all the toppings. Well, I imagine the pizzas here are pretty good since they bake it fresh. And I guess the poke is too. There's the poke bowl being made. Hey. What kind of, is that like tofu or something?
This is the shiitake poke.
Shiitake mushroom?
Yeah.
Looks good, thank you. But there's a lot going on here at Eddie World. My main question is, where's Eddie? Well, there's even some quick bite-to-go sandwiches and wraps here. Tuna salad, chicken salad, sourdough club if you're just in a hurry. And if you're feeling healthy in a hurry, here's a quinoa salad. Cobb. Caesar. All right. And there's another pizza place over here, but I don't know if that's open. It says Eddie's Pizza, but there's another, but there's Calico Pizzeria. That seems to be the one that's open.
Yeah, look at this beautiful one.
And there's Jedediah's Jerky. I'm gonna try to find the Pete's Coffee. Pretty sure I see it back there, past all the stuffed penguins and the flavored nuts and the piñatas. Whoa, look at these snakes. Whoops. What is this all about? Snakes. They never have my name. Oh my god. It's spelled right too. Oh no, Pete's Coffee's not open. Closed due to a broken water line. Oh. Well, that's a risk you take, opening up a coffee place in the middle of the desert. Well, there's still plenty more to eat here at Eddie World. Plenty of, hey, souvenir t-shirts. $8.99. That's not bad for a souvenir. It's cheaper than a poke bowl. And there's definitely a lot of gummy candy, if that's what you're a fan of. And there's a beverage bar back there. You can get your fountain drinks. You can even get coffee over here. Look at this. Little self-serve dispenser coffees. Look at that. Colombian extreme extra mold. And decaf. It's pretty good. And there's teas. Lemonade, and your sodas, and then all your bottled water. and other drinks. Well, there you go. This is Eddie World. A convenient place to stop right off the 15 freeway from LA to Vegas, or from Vegas to LA. So that's Eddie World. They're open from 6 a.m. till midnight here in Yermo, California. So if you're wanting a snack or need to go to the bathroom or just want to take a look at some Lakers memorabilia, Eddie World is the place to stop. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about Eddie World. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat and places to go and things to do and people to see when it's all you can Vegas.